Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Pineapple Coconut Smoothie, also known as Pinacolada Smoothie. So let's move on to the recipe now. So to begin with, we have pineapple slices. I'm going to add in 3. This is 1, this is 2, and a third one. That's 3 slices of pineapples from a tin. If you don't have this, you can also use fresh pineapple as well. You can use frozen pineapples, but what we are going to do is we are going to use ice cubes in this recipe. Now add in half a banana. Now 6 to 8 ice cubes go inside. So if you don't want to use ice cubes, you can also use frozen banana and frozen pineapples. But because we are using fresh banana and pineapples that aren't frozen, we are adding in these 6 to 8 ice cubes inside. You want to add in 1 cup of coconut milk, and that goes inside. It's also very good for vegans. Now you can use honey or maple syrup to sweeten this. If you don't have these, you can also use sugar as well. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons in this one. And you can add in 1 or you can add in more if you want. It really depends, because sometimes some people have a sweet tooth, so it goes according to that. Some people don't have much of a sweet tooth and they want to have maybe the sweetness from the fruits itself, so that's also perfectly fine. It really depends on you. I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons of honey over here. And now to end with, I'm just going to close this off now and just blend it, and then we'll be done with this delicious recipe. Okay, you saw how to make this Pinacolada Smoothie recipe, which is, a short form for saying Pineapple Coconut Smoothie. Very tasty, very quick to make. As you saw, it's very fast, very fast. But the taste, when I tasted it again, it's an absolute gem of a beverage to actually have, especially during the summer with all that heat. Lately in the past week or so, it's been very warm, very hot weather. So when I'm having these drinks, it's just so rejuvenating. It's so refreshing, and it's a burst of flavor. And because it has this abundance of tropical Caribbean flavors, you actually feel like you're in the Caribbean. You actually feel like you're on a beach somewhere with palm trees, and you're sat on or you're lying down on a hammock somewhere, or on an easy chair somewhere. It just feels so relaxing. It's just amazing. Like, just having it just kind of takes you back to being in a certain place. That's the power of actually having these types of beverages. So do try this out, because I'm fully convinced that a lot of you will absolutely love trying this out. It's very rewarding, and it's just got a short amount of commitment. You can make this within 2 minutes. So with that said, strawberry coconut smoothie, go and view that over here. If you want to view my strawberry blueberry milkshake recipe, you can view that over here. And to view a whole list of beverages playlist, you can view that over here. It's got a huge list of beverages that have been made before on this channel, so do go check that out if you haven't already. And with that said, catch you in the next one.